The mic ain't even on. What's good, YouTube? It's Almighty Boy back with another video, and today I got something that has been long awaited. So right now my car only has a muffler delete. I am going to go cut my secondary cats off if they don't tax, but I'm supposed to be Quan and Tree there, and that's what we're on the way to right now. Let's go ahead and get to the shop.
Get in here, I'm gonna give me some.
Bro, when they put them shits on, I thought they put them on backwards. Cause you see how it's, but he said it was right.
I don't get my YouTube goddamn royalties, nigga. That's all the niggas talk about. They said, man, that little nigga right there with all them cats, he keep you on goddamn YouTube. I said, well, shit, what my little royalty check at there? My little $10, $20, $30, $40.
I'm bringing you the customers, man.
That's the TPS sensor shit to close the valves.
Yeah, open the valve, that's all. No, they ain't got it.
All right, niggas, it might sound the same, but it's gonna pop more. This goddamn SS Camaro here. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? All right, y'all, we finna hear this. It should pop more. Yeah, that shit definitely louder. Yeah, hold on, let me try something real quick. Why it's what's that shit?
The rev limiter,
yeah.
It's so high. I mean low.
I know how to beat that shit, hold on.
That bitch burbling.
All right, I'm finna drive down the road real quick. And then come back.
Hey, it's too bright.
shit so goddamn bright. The fuck?
Am I tweaking? Am I gay? Am I gay? Am I gay? Stupid
Yeah, that shit sound better.
They do. Your ass look like an ass. I'm like a what? No. Alright. He leave your ass. That's crazy.
He is too. Alright, y'all, damn, dog, get it to hell. We did get the secondary cats cut, and it's not too much louder, but you can tell like a little difference. And we finna try to get some pops of this shit, okay? Now, if we get the right pops, I'll let y'all know. This is a muffler delete and a secondary cat delete. So, yes. It is the next day. It is the next day since I got my shit cut. Yo. Okay, for a second I thought I parked right there, but I didn't. But anyways, so I'm about to give y'all a cold start with the secondary cat delete. And then I'm gonna give y'all a little drive, so y'all can hear how it really sounds from the inside. And it's kind of a lot of drone, but it ain't too bad. So I'm finna go ahead and get this. Okay, I did get it. So I'm about to give y'all a little drive, let y'all hear inside what it sounds like in the cabin. Oh shit, we getting laser. Now I don't know if y'all can tell much of a difference or not on camera, but I think I can a little bit. Like, it's nothing like crazy, but I can definitely hear it. And then it sounds like the pop, like, so I initially got this because my friend got this shit, but he has a 10 speed, and as you may or may not know, the 10 speeds pop more. So like, y'all hear that? It's more burbles. But when I like downshift, like, see, that's the whole thing.